Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So, I have exciting news. Some of you have heard, but I just released my bottle bottom set. So it comes in a set of 3. These are 2 inches, 3 inches, and 4 inches, and they're actually modeled off of the actual bottoms of the soda bottles, but I made the design even better. So these are now available. They're plastic, by the way, reusable. They're available in my Etsy store, link in the description, but I was asked by quite a few people to do a video using these. So I'm going to go ahead, and they're really cute. Another thing too is you can actually use it as a pouring bowl also if you want. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to reuse this one that I already used. Now you can clean it. It's not it's not a completely smooth plastic, so the paint will not easily peel off. But if you want, you can just rinse it right after use, or just lift it up on something and let it drip dry. It's going to keep moving down, and yeah, then you can just reuse it. I prefer to do that because I don't like to wash paint down the sink, but you could also use wipies or something to clean it up. All right, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate this. This is the 3-inch size 10 by 10 canvas here. I'm going to just use this cup that I had a little bit of paint in earlier, and I'm going to do some very bright spring-like colors. And by the way, too, if you don't know, my pouring paints are pretty fully back in stock. So if you did not get a chance to get them before, they come in these cute bottles. I'm using this one because it has a little boo-boo in it, and I can't sell that with a boo-boo. But yeah, I also now have available sets of 12 and sets of 16 pick your own colors, which is pretty awesome. It's currently still US only shipping, but I'm really working hard on the international front, I promise. It's just a lot of legalities. All right, so I'm just using some real bright colors. Purple, turquoise, pink, yellow. Let's throw a little green in here. And top it off with just a little bit more white. Okay, I think that's going to be very pretty. So, there's no right or wrong way to do this necessarily. I am going to go ahead and just put this right in the middle of the canvas and pour over it. You can do it as a clean pour or as a dirty pour. So as a clean pour, you would just pour the colors individually, like literally just like this, one by one. Or as a dirty pour, you put them together in a cup and then pour them out. And you couldn't just pour right straight in the middle. I like to do a little bit of a tree ring. Don't pour too fast. You don't want it to go over those little bumps. But I made this pretty well so it will stop the paint unless you pour it really fast. And so I made the different sizes for the different size canvases, of course, in case that wasn't obvious. And sometimes you might just want a smaller one or larger, or you can do all 3 on one big canvas. Look how awesome that is. So I've done bottle bottoms before and they came out okay. This, I'm not just saying it because it's my product, but it works actually way better. The design allows the paint to flow a lot better than a regular bottle bottom. So these gloves are too big. I'm gonna be a little careful, but you just let it sit for a minute there and then pick it up. Okay. Should not have worn these gloves. Okay. And then the paint will keep running off of this. So you can just set it up on a cup or something like that so it'll keep moving. You can also pour on a cup, like set this up on a cup on the canvas and pour over that. That works too. I like to let it fully close. Look how beautiful. And then just go ahead and tilt. This is a great one to do on a Lazy Susan, if you have one, because then it stretches it out pretty evenly. But since we're just tilting by hand, I'm going to just slowly go towards each corner, doing my best to just maintain my design and not stretch it too much in any one direction. But yeah, if you have a Lazy Susan, definitely try it on that. You'll get some amazing results. All right, there you go. I think that is gorgeous. So if anyone wants to know the exact colors that I used, I'll list them in the description, but I used, these are all from my pouring paint line: white, royal purple, pink tulip, turquoise, meadow green, and primary yellow. And I don't remember if I said it, but also electric purple, which is this kind of neon purple in here. I think this is awesome. And then my bottle bottoms. Let's go ahead and we're going to let this sit here for a little bit, and then we'll do the close-up. All right, let's bring it in for a close-up. I think this is so awesome. Man, I love the lines on this. It's so cool. And this is just really basic. So just pouring over it and then tilting. Nothing else. So I'll be doing a video coming up with the Lazy Susan. And then also I do have a class with the bottle bottoms coming up also. I'll put a link for that in the description if you're watching this in real time. So there you go. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Hopefully this clarifies for some of you how these bottle bottoms would work. If you haven't gotten your paints yet, or sign up for the next Facebook Live class with the bottle bottoms, all of that information, please check in the description. It will all be there. And I will see you all next time.